Top 5 iOS 14 features that should you know. Apple has unveiled the all-new iOS 14 with significant updates. They have revealed a lot of things about their iPhone, MacBook and more in the yesterday WWDC 2020. And we know that the Apple user will be happier after seeing the software updates in the WWDC 2020. So in the WWDC 2020 they have brought some new features into the iOS 14. We will tell you about the top 5 iOS 14 features along with the iOS 14 download size, and we will also provide you with details information about the top 5 features of iOS 14 that should you know before downloading it. New home screen and widgets. Apple has provided new customization to their iPhone home screen. Now the user will be able to search for apps, and along with it there is a similar feature to Android, which is the app library. So if you have some similar app, then you will be able to create a folder by which you can access it in one tap. Along with it, iPhone user will be getting app suggestion which will help you in locating the most used app. We know this feature was already available in Android. Apple has also provided with some new and fresh widgets which will offer a premium look to your iPhone. You will be able to set widgets on home screen to get instant information. PIP video support. So finally an essential feature for the iPhone user has come. We have seen that it is available in the Android smartphone, and now the iOS 14 gets the picture in picture support. So you will be able to watch video in the background while running other apps. User will be happy seeing this feature in the iOS 14. Siri. The iOS 14 comes with redesigned Siri, a new UI and more intelligent Siri for all you to help and throughout the day. The new Siri UI will attract users because of its compact design and does not interfere with the entire screen. It will also provide a more intelligent answer to the users. New Translate and Message app. The new iOS 14 brings the new Translate and Message app. So the Translate app will help you in translation even you are offline. This is a useful feature, and the Message app comes with a new conversation design. So now you will be able to pin a message with up to 9 chats. A trillion of emojis have been added to it with new mask age and stickers. Also, you will now get to see group person image at a time in line reply and mention them for direct message. Also, you can customize your message up to mention only, then you will get notified for only those messages in which you are mentioned. New App Store and unlock car with iPhone NFC. The new iOS 14 comes with the new App Store where you will be able to see small clip up to 10 MB, and by which you will get a clear suggestion about the app that you are going to download. This is one of the cool feature, and it will also help the developer in attracting user through their app video. The new iOS 14 comes with a unique feature that is car key. So you will be able to unlock car through the NFC available on your iPhone. The car key will be available in digital key which you can share with your friends and relatives. It will be interesting if you are out of any of your friends and relatives want you to take your car for the drive, can easily take code from you and then unlock the car with it. The car key will work with the upcoming BMW series, Ford and other companies that are working on it.